बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलामुअलैकुम। उम्मीद है आप सब खैरियत से होंगे। वी विल discuss from the discussion synopsis writing, and in which we will discuss do's, what we should do and what we should not do. Identify research gap. Understand the gap and interrupt why this gap is important to fill. Why this gap is important to fill. Present what if analysis in both positive and negative modes. How do the results relate to the original question, what we learned to. What do results relate to the original question, what have we learned. Present, how will your findings different or similar to those of other researchers. Do not copy and paste directly, use interpretation of them. Do not use negative pitch only, write in both dimension. Conclusion, do's and do nots. Proposed outcomes of the study should necessarily be there. What will be new or different in your findings? Remember, the link of conclusion is with introduction. Whatever you stated in introduction must be closed here. Do not directly copy and paste others' conclusion. Do not put any question here. Do not ask for any submission which has not been started in introduction. Generalized recommendation. Do plan ahead. Do revise. Do be specific. Do keep your focus. Do avoid jargons. Do put extra thought into choosing a title. Do document your sources. Do write. And starting from this structure of synopsis, first of all introduction comes, then literature review comes, then research design and methodology. Number 4, paragraph implications of study. नंबर 5 पे आएगा डिस्कशन. नंबर 6 पे आएगा कंक्लूजन. सो ये 6 स्टेप्स हैं जो कि साइनॉप्सिस में यूज़ होंगे. And next